Researchers have invented a smartphone controlled soft brain implant that can be recharged wirelessly from outside the body. It enables long term neural circuit manipulation without the need for periodic disruptive surgeries to replace the battery of the implant. Scientists believe this technology can help uncover and treat psychiatric disorders and neurodegenerative diseases such as addiction, depression, and Parkinson's. A group of Korean researchers from KAIST and collaborators have engineered the tiny brain implant that can be wirelessly recharged from outside the body to control brain circuits for long periods of time without battery replacement. The device is constructed of ultra-soft and biocompliant polymers to help provide long-term compatibility with tissue. Geared with micrometer-sized LEDs equivalent to the size of a grain of salt, mounted on ultra-thin probes the thickness of a human hair, it can wirelessly manipulate target neurons in the deep brain using light. The new wireless charging technology addresses the limitations of current brain implants. Wireless implantable device technologies have recently become popular as alternatives to conventional tethered implants because they help minimize stress and inflammation in freely moving animals during brain studies, which in turn enhance the lifetime of the devices. However, such devices require either intermittent surgeries to replace discharged batteries or special and bulky wireless power setups, which limit experimental options as well as the scalability of animal experiments. This powerful device eliminates the need for additional painful surgeries to replace an exhausted battery in the implant, allowing seamless chronic neuromodulation. The researchers believe that the same basic technology can be applied to various types of implants, including deep brain stimulators and cardiac and gastric pacemakers, to reduce the burden on patients for long-term use within the body. To enable wireless battery charging and controls, researchers developed a tiny circuit that integrates a wireless energy harvester with a coil antenna and a Bluetooth low-energy chip. An alternating magnetic field can harmlessly penetrate through tissue and generate electricity inside the device to charge the battery. Then the battery-powered Bluetooth implant delivers programmable patterns of light to brain cells using an easy-to-use smartphone app for real-time brain control. This device can be operated anywhere and anytime to manipulate neural circuits, which makes it a highly versatile tool for investigating brain functions. Neuroscientists successfully tested these implants in rats and demonstrated their ability to suppress cocaine-induced behavior after the rats were injected with cocaine. This was achieved by precise light stimulation of relevant target neurons in their brains using the smartphone-controlled LEDs. Furthermore, the battery in the implants could be repeatedly recharged while the rats were behaving freely, thus minimizing any physical interruption to the experiments. Wireless battery recharging makes experimental procedures much less complicated. The researchers believe this brain implant technology may lead to new opportunities for brain research and therapeutic intervention to treat diseases in the brain and other organs.